Hey, what is up everybody? So I finally got my hands on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. This is a 44mm stainless steel version without LTE. Why I got this instead of aluminum one, I'll tell you in a second. But first of all, here is the box. As you can see, a little bit bigger as compared to regular aluminum version box. Anyways, let's unbox it. So sliding out the main box, here you can see we have this nice looking packaging. This is the watch, I guess so. Wrapped in this cloth, and keeping it aside, let's see what's else inside the box. Here are the 20mm leather watch straps, and here is some paperwork. In the last we have this charging cable, so no charging adapter is present inside the box this time with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Let's take out the watch from the cloth, and the strap installation process also very simple and quick. So visually the watch is very appealing, and here you can see at the top the button is a bit different as compared to the down one. This one is for ECG that we will get after FDA approval with an update. Now let's boot up the watch for the first time. And also I'll tell you why I got the stainless steel version instead of the aluminum one. So I already had the Watch Active 1 which was present in this matte black finish. So I wanted to try something different, and I went with this glossy black stainless steel version. It will cost you around $380 depending upon your region. So here we are with the setup process, which is pretty much similar to the Samsung smartwatches in the past. Let's quickly go through the pairing process. Okay guys, so after completing up the pairing process, here I am on the main home screen, which is showing this nice tutorial on how to navigate and use a smartwatch. Swipe left to see your widgets. Okay, now swipe right to go back to the watch face, and swiping again to the right will take us to our notifications. Press the top key to go back, press the down key to go to your apps, and I'll just quickly complete it. That's it, you're good to go. So my initial impressions of the watch are very nice. The watch has this minimal design, it is not much heavy. Definitely doesn't has a rugged design that we previously saw with the Gear S3 and also the Galaxy Watch. Now let's talk about the major difference that I noticed, and it's with the display. The display is super crisp and super sharp as compared to the Galaxy Watch, having a total pixel count of 364 pixels per inch, which is just super crisp, on par with the Apple Watch. You just have to see it in person to feel the difference. And I've noticed that the touch bezel is by default turned off. So to turn it on, you have to just swipe down, go into the settings. Okay, now scroll to advanced. Here, tap on touch bezel and turn it on. And now you're good to go. Let's move on to the main home screen and test this digital bezel. So it has this haptic feedback that mimics the mechanical rotating bezel. I don't know, but I'm liking it a lot. Now let's check out some of the watch faces. So the watch faces includes this My Style one, which is new on the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and many others. Let's try this live wallpaper one. You can also customize it. Let's choose this one. Wow, just amazing. The flower animation is so smooth and it looks so beautiful as well. You can also change the color of flower by a single tap. So guys, this was the unboxing video and first impressions of the Watch Active 2. I'm really liking it out of the box. So subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'll be posting my review of the Watch Active 2 just after using it for some time, and also I'll be comparing it with the Galaxy Watch and also Fossil Gen 5. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye.